Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi capital market. Sebelum itu, perkenalkan nama saya Ahmad Edi Bidayat dengan NIM 202111113 dari kelas manajemen 2C. Capital market. Capital markets are where savings and investment are channeled between suppliers, people or institutions with capital to lend or invest and those in need. Suppliers typically include banks and investors, while those who speak capital are business, governments and individuals. Capital markets are composed of primary and secondary markets. The most common capital markets are the stock market and the bond market. Capital markets seek to improve transactional efficiency. These markets bring suppliers together with those seeking capital and provide a place where they can exchange securities. Capital markets refer to the venues where funds are exchanged between suppliers of capital and those who demand capital for use. Primary capital markets are where new securities are issued and sold. The secondary market is where previously issued securities are traded between investors. The best known capital markets include the stock market and the bond markets. Understanding capital markets. Capital market is a broad term used to describe the in-person and digital space in which various entities trade different types of financial instruments. These venues may include the stock market, the bond market, and the currency and foreign exchange market. Most markets are concentrated in major financial centers such as New York, London, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Capital markets are composed of the supplier and use of funds. Suppliers include households through the savings account they hold with bank as well as in the institution like pension and retirement funds. Life insurance companies, charitable foundation, and non-financial companies that generate exchange cash. The user of the funds distributed on capital markets include home and motor vehicle brokers, non-financial companies, and governments financing infrastructure investment and operating expenses. Capital markets are used primarily to sell financial products such as equities and debt securities. Equities are stock which are ownership shares in a company. Debt securities such as bonds are interest-bearing yields. These markets are divided into two different categories: primary markets, where new equity stock and bond issues are sold to investors, and secondary markets, which trade existing securities. Capital markets are a crucial part of a functioning modern economy because they move money from the people who have it to those who need it for productive use. Primary market. When a company publicly sells new stock or bonds for the first time, such as in an initial public offering IPO, it does so in the primary capital market. This market is sometimes called the new issues market. When investors purchase securities on the primary capital market, the company that offers the securities hires an underwriting firm to review it and create a prospectus outlining the price and other details of the securities to be issued. All issues on the primary market are subject to strict regulation. Companies must file statement with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SIC) and other securities agencies and must wait until their filings are approved before they can go public. Small investors are often unable to pay securities on the primary market because the company and its investment bankers want to sell all of the available securities in a short period of time to meet the required volume. And they must focus on marketing the sale to large investors who can buy more securities at once. Marketing the sale to investor can often include roadshow or dog and pony show, in which investment bankers and the company's leadership travel to meet with potential investor and convince them of the value of the securities being issued. Secondary market. The secondary market, on the other hand, includes venues overseen by a regulatory body like the SIC, where the previously issued securities are traded between investors. Issuing companies don't have a part in the secondary market. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Nasdaq are examples of secondary markets. The secondary market has two different categories, the auction and the dealer markets. The auction market is home to the open outreach system where buyers and sellers congregate in one location and announce the price at which they are willing to buy and sell their securities. The NYSE is one such example. In dealer markets, people trade through electronic networks. Most small investors trade through dealer markets. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.